Actually, no, to be fair though, remember how Miles Knight on PS5, and then they took down the Hello, Goofy.
Yep.
Oh shit, I'll wait here, yeah?
You take the front end off, you know, or no, when you just come up. It looks pretty cool. It works just as well. Have you seen the skate in Europe? No. Oh, it's built for the 80s. Yeah, I didn't bring them anything. I found stuff that they've got 80s. Chris!
Better that end than the bottom end.
Oh, you shot me! You shot by that yet?
About 23? I would.
I'll get you would. Well, you're going to at some point. Oh, bro. You know what? I felt some ascension there. That was impressive.
3 days in a row.
Hey, you look like
I am. It's quite hard.
Right guys, closing events on
I may have bought my phone by accident.
One.
I may have bought my phone by accident. And possibly my wallet. I'll put my wallet in my pocket. You want to put that in the zip pocket?
The zip pocket?
The objective for this game is to run into the pond and raise your flag. Red team, you're going to be raising the red flag, and blue team, you're going to be raising the blue flag. Very complicated, I know. But we have added a few new rules for those that haven't played in a while. If you run into the pond, you have a choice. You can either raise the flag straight away, or after 60 seconds, I'll raise it for you. But when your flag is up, you can't go into the pond. Okay? So if Blue team have got their blue flag raised. You can't charge into the fob and try and kill everyone in there. Okay, because it just saves one team dominating the whole match, getting in there within the first 30 seconds, and the other team just not being able to penetrate it at all. Boundaries for this field. There is a small stream over that way. I will just laugh if you get in that, because it'll be funny. The rifle shed, the back there, line going up there, that's going to be your backhand boundary. Over this side, we've got some orange tip markers, and that side we have either CQB or the rhododendron line. We're going to be playing unlimited lives for this field, and it's going to be semi-only. Okay? Also, grenades. They must go through windows or through doors. Any pyro that goes over the top of the walls will be disqualified, and it will not count.
That's what disqualified means.
Children, do not go through windows. Don't post children through the window.
Adults go through.
What about small adults?
You can salmon dive it. Can you clear Fob with a grenade?
What about a biohazard grenade?
Okay guys, just to reiterate, once your flag is raised, you can't step foot inside the fob, but you can post outside and try and stop it. Okay!
So if you're already in the fob, you have to leave?
Yep.
Right, that was not clear.
But yes, after 60 seconds, I will automatically raise your flag and everyone on your team inside the fob will have to leave. Okay.
Just light him up and just try to trace the flag.
Okay, blue team, up the top of the hill there, red team,
Oh, at least we get the top hill bit out of the way first.
Yeah, you know.
up that.
That's fun, isn't it? What? Like RPG it all the way down to the top of Fob.
Go on.
Go on.
Try it at least once.
Well, if anything, I'd aim just over there, where they're running into. That would be the more wise option. You've got a 10-metre kill radius.
Yeah, it could become the biggest multi-kill there's ever been here.
I've seen one of the 31 KD in a zombies game. Someone just walked in, struck a grenade and just looked around and went, and just stood there. And just boom! You're like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 31 later, and it's like.
Apparently someone did that to the team with my grenade earlier because I dropped it on the field. One of the enemy snipers just suicide bombed on a bunch of them. He just walked over and just dropped it in the middle. The thing is, none of us shot him because he just walked into the middle of us with a ref. Yeah. And we're just like, oh, is he out? Is he being escorted back to his team? And he just drops the grenade and goes off and we're like, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead.
He'll raise it up in 60 seconds.
What? At which point you look down and went, wait a minute, I'm on a grenade.
No one go in, just control the out.
I'm going to chip to the flag.
3, 2, go!
one guy in the front. I don't know if he's heard it.
Yeah, up here would be one of ours.